Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to do SFS on Snapchat. So, let's get started. SFS stands for Snap or Shoutout for Shoutout. It's a great way to grow your Snapchat following and connect with new people. SFS is a collaboration between two Snapchat users where they agree to promote each other's accounts. This can be done by posting a snap or story about the other user, tagging them in a post, or even just sending them a direct message. To do SFS on Snapchat, follow these steps. Find another Snapchat user who is interested in doing SFS. You can do this by searching for the hashtag SFS on Snapchat or by reaching out to other Snapchat users who have similar interests to you. Once you have found a partner, agree on what type of SFS you want to do. Create your content and post it to Snapchat. Be sure to tag your partner in all of your posts. Once you have posted your content, send a message to your partner letting them know that you have posted your SFS. Your partner will then return the favor and promote your account on their Snapchat. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.